Ferdinand Porsche, Enzo Ferrari, all these great car designers all seem to have extreme right-wing politics, or at least collaborate with people who have extreme right-wing politics. I don't know what it is about car designers. Maybe it's that individualism gone mad that makes them great designers. After all, who wants to drive a car designed by a liberal? This may be an incarnation of the 40-year-old 911, but it's got so many concessions to the new millennium driver. This is a driver's car, but it's certainly a pampered driver's car. The seating position is so variable as to be impossible to choose. I can go up, down, round about, all over the place. It's got a wonderful little pump system here. You can inflate or deflate the seat according to how tightly you want to fit into it, but it's supremely comfortable. It's got a lovely seat warmer, which I've got on right now, which feels really good. It's a bit like pissing in a wetsuit. And it's this inner comfort Porsche have extended into the user-friendly onboard gadgets. You've got a great phone system down here and operate it from the steering wheel. The instrumentation is classical, simple. In fact, all the controls for these type of things, the radio included, are very intuitive. You've almost got to not think about how they work. The coffee cup holders, for instance, if you think about it, you'll never find it. But if you just sort of think, oh, where is it? Oh, there it goes. It's like the force be with you. Even the gear stick has a little cleft in the back to fingers to nestle in when you're itching to change gear. Just don't think, drive. Inside the glove box, we've got a little couch here with this wonderful little toy. What do you think that's for? That is for opening the indicator lens so you can change a bulb. They've thought of everything. They've thought of almost too much. In fact, there's piles of car porn here. The Porsche Service Plus, the guarantee, PCM management, communication management. This is just basically pure car porn. Lots of photos. And this is the one I like the most. This is the accessories manual, or driver's selection, which is pretty cool. Look, it's got everything from backpacks and luggage, specially made. A little humidor, a Porsche humidor, just necessary for this kind of vehicle. Up here you've got this very fashionable Carlo Tech racing cap. You've got everything you could possibly imagine. Belt buckles, key rings, the Porsche picnic blanket for a Porsche picnic. You can even have Porsche apples, Porsche pears, Porsche ham, and Porsche porn. What more could a man want? Who needs partners? I could spend a lot of time in this car. Though on the firm suspension, you'll probably get a sore back. The New Zealand roads are not kind to this, and it hasn't got the soft wallowing suspension of a Falcon or a Commodore. It's hard, it feels the road. But that said, the driving experience is really cool. It's a car you can drive by yourself for hours. The other half of the Porsche story is on the track, so Aaron Slight, who's been known to have the Porsche GT3s on two wheels, is itching to take the Carrera S onto the Taupo test circuit.
Down the straight, up the gearbox, you can feel that 355 horsepower down here, up to 160k an hour there, just leaving in third, tip it in, back feels a little bit light here, then a little bit into push. Hard on the picks, good ABS, so this is taken care of. Get on the gas, the PSM's turned off, so we've got a bit of oversteer. Through here, back onto the S's. Car's great through here. Not full throttle because it's just too fast for us through here, but it feels really tight and secure. And of course in this car you've got the option of power buttons and PSM button, which is traction control. So at the moment we've got the PSM off and we've got the sport button on, so it's giving us the full 355 horsepower. Back into here, into the last corner, back to the gearbox, a little bit understeer there, comes back in control with a bit of input from the foot. Car feels really pointy, but what I mean by pointy is the car's very sharp. You know, it reacts to the turn. If you turn in, it points in. Tailor car, of course, the back's hanging out. So to to be pointy is great as long as it's pointy and not taily, because you want it to turn in quick, but you don't want the back to come around. I just feel when I'm driving this car, I'm driving it. I like to turn the traction control off and all that, but I'm driving the car. There's a lot of things about a Porsche. People say the engine's over the back, so they're really tail happy and all that sort of thing. But I've been surprised today. This car's a true sports car. You feel everything through the wheel. It's very well balanced, but you've got to treat it with some respect, because if you get into it too hard, it can bite.